Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play with Doomfist. Doomfist excels at diving into enemy backlines and disrupting their formation. His unique kit allows for powerful combos and quick escapes. Mastering his abilities is key to maximizing his impact in any match. Focus on understanding his movement and shield generation to dominate the battlefield. This guide will help you unleash his full potential. Doomfist's abilities are designed for aggressive, close-quarters combat. Rocket Punch is your primary engagement tool, allowing you to quickly close distances and stun targets. Seismic Slam pulls enemies in, setting them up for follow-up attacks. Rising Uppercut then launches them, making them vulnerable. Combine these abilities for devastating combos and quick eliminations. Practice timing these moves for maximum effect. Effective positioning is crucial for Doomfist. Look for opportunities to flank enemies or drop in from high ground. After initiating, use your abilities in quick succession to secure eliminations. Remember, Rocket Punch isn't just for offense, it's also a powerful escape tool. Always be aware of your surroundings and plan your next move. A well-timed combo can turn the tide of any team fight. Doomfist's ultimate, Meteor Strike, allows you to leap into the air and crash down, dealing significant damage in an area. Use it to finish off low-health enemies, escape a losing fight, or initiate a team push. Practice predicting enemy movements to land your ultimate effectively. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Keep practicing your combos and positioning to become an unstoppable force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.